Here it is, finally, after several months of waiting, the 2025 Goldwing Tour DCT 50th anniversary, Bordeaux Red. 2 days after Honda made the announcement about the 50th anniversary, I went into my local dealership and said I want to be the first one to have the Bordeaux Red Anniversary Edition DCT. I put money down. They told me it probably wouldn't arrive until May, and that would be the absolute earliest they would get one. But either way, I was first on the list to get this particular bike, and actually I was in the dealership in May at some point with my VMAX doing something, and coincidentally the guy in blue here that's doing the uncrating came up to me and said, "Hey, I think your bike just rolled in on a truck." So we went out there and watched them unload it off the truck, and he said, "Take a peek inside, lift the white cover and see if that's yours." I looked at it and said, "Well, the color's right," and he said, "Well, go ahead and reach up there and see if you can feel a clutch lever." I reached, and unfortunately I felt the clutch lever, so we knew it wasn't mine. So here we are finally a couple of months later, and it has arrived. So the day is the day to uncrate it, and they can begin the process of putting it together for the pieces that aren't assembled at the manufacturing plant in Japan. So they will do all of that, and they will also add all of the accessories that I ordered, but I'll get into that at some other point. But today this is just all about uncrating, so if you want to watch how they do it and what that entails, there's not much to it. This is a short video, but for the most part I am going to remain silent and just let you watch this play out. Enjoy.
Taylor, Markle, hey, you have a little ratchet with a 10 mil?
That's what meant by it.
We have to send them back.
Okay, yeah, that's a lot of hidden
Yeah,
steel.
we have to send them back. The crates have a number on them. Yeah, and we tell Honda, once we get so many, Honda will send a 18-wheeler to come and put them all back.
Now, do they stay in the States? Or are these, is this the way it was shipped from Japan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they're eventually going to make their way back to Japan.
Yeah. pull out these metal things for repaint.
As you can clearly see, even from a distance, it is missing some plastic covers, the seat, and the windshield. And of course they will put all that together. But at the same time, they're going to be taking a lot of pieces off of the bike because I ordered several accessories that they will be installing. And I will not get the bike for several days while all of that's happening. And as soon as it's finished and I get it home, I will do a walk around and explain everything that I added to the bike. See you next time.